Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Just an update tracking this 46FL. It's a Luxe luxury fifth wheel front living floor plan. I'm in the bedroom at the moment looking at the rear full bath. Just an amazing situation we have going here. Beautifully high ceilings. You can see where the shower, the one-piece fiberglass shower, comes and meets the ceiling there with a beautiful skylight in that. Gonna swing around here real quick and show you the rest, give you a view of what it looks like through the bedroom, into the kitchen, and into the front entertainment area. Gonna walk through here. You've got your washer and dryer. You've got a half bath right over here. It's kind of hard to see everything because the lights aren't on, but just to give you a quick idea of what's going on here. Just beautiful, just amazing. Huge opposing slides in this kitchen area. Amazing island. One of the largest islands that I've seen in any of our floor plans. Just huge. Moving on through here, you're going to be able to access your refrigerator without putting your slides. So a little bit further here, and you can kind of see the front entertainment area starting to come together with a beautiful fireplace and a stone backsplash right around that fireplace. So hey, let us know what you think about our front living. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us some questions about our beautiful front living floor plan. Have a great day.